Hi, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm an Everett Community College student, just like you. A little different though, I'm not medicated. The holiday season is approaching, and you know what that means? That means we have to do a lot of cooking for the family that comes over that we don't invite. Whether you celebrate the holidays or not, everyone can enjoy a nice retro cheese ball. Let's get cooking. So for this recipe, the snappy cheese ball, you need 8 ounces of packaged cream cheese, 2 ounces of packaged blue cheese, half a pound of sharp cheddar cheese, half cup mayonnaise, half teaspoon onion, half teaspoon paprika, a few drops of Worcestershire sauce, and 1 cup chopped walnuts. First, let's start off with Neufchâtel cheese. So let's, that is juicy. Okay. And we just plop that whole thing in. Oh, pretty much we just put everything in there. Let's just throw in the mayonnaise. Oh, lovely. Some sharp cheddar cheese. Ouch. Okay. Blue cheese. Excellent. Paprika. Throw that on in there. Worcestershire sauce. Oh, that she just poured out. Oh, okay. Mix this up really so it looks really gross. You refrigerate it and you leave it in there until it gets nice and cold. Usually cheese balls are made during Christmas time in the US, but any reason is a good reason to make holiday recipes with friends and family. Food is a powerful tool that can bring people and cultures together. You want to make friends at EVCC? Ask them to make food with you. Perhaps a cheese ball? With winter break coming up, take this time to focus on friends, family, and some good food. Never doubt the power of a good old-fashioned cheese ball. So we have our cheese ball nice and chilled. Now we're gonna form it into the ball shape. So I guess I gotta go in with my bare hands. So this is gonna be, ew. Sorry, that's, this is great. Can we get a nice close-up of that sound? Can we get a nice, oh yeah. Oh, So I would say that's a nice spherical cheese ball. Now we're gonna roll the cheese ball in some walnuts. We could not afford the diced walnuts, so we got the normal one and I banged it on the counter. Now let's just roll that on in. Oh, yep. That's some yummy stuff. It's actually sticking pretty nice to the cheese because it's already so wet and greasy. Time for the taste test. The Last Supper is quaking right now. It looks so delicious. I'm so excited for you guys to try it. Cheers. Mazel tov. It's not good. But you know, we had a lot of fun making it. And you know, we made a lot of good memories along with the bad cheese. And that's what it's really about. So this holiday season, make some really bad cheese, but make some really good friends. If you want to make one of these, tag Everett Clipper on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.